This client improves access to healthcare, so dental, vision, healthcare appointments. These agents are dealing with an aging population, ultimately just making sure they can get to their appointments. This client had just signed two new medical hospitals that they were going to start providing non-emergency medical transportation for. They did not know what type of volume to expect. It came to us, they were abandoning 1,000 calls a day. Five Star was able to ramp 50 agents for them in a 1 week's time frame to ultimately help them hit their KPIs that they were required to for these healthcare facilities. The agents we hired for this project were compassionate, empathetic, and we really made sure they would take their time with these patients, making sure everything was scheduled appropriately because we know the importance of these appointments for them. From a hiring recruiting standpoint, we use technology and AI to post jobs, screen applicants, and interview agents. So by the time that an applicant gets to the hiring manager, they've been vetted out very heavily. So the manager actually can hire them very quickly. Five Star hiring recruits in 30 plus states. We get thousands of applicants on a weekly basis. So just through using the technology, we're able to get through those applicants very quickly. The success for this client came when Five Star was able to help automate their training process. The training process was actually a more classroom leader facilitated, but some of the tools Five Star has, we were able to ingest the data and ultimately train the agents on the most important things. And we call it the 80-20 rule. So we trained them on the 80%, and then their team kept the 20% that was more complex. Our team handled the high volume 80% of the inquiries. So we're able to ultimately reduce the training time and get the agents very proficient on those inquiries.